Good morning all, it's Saturday the 2nd of November and I wanted to show you which is probably the cheapest car we've had in stock for a very long time. Now I was in two minds about whether I wanted to retail this in all honesty because in all honesty it's 11 years old and it has done 120,000 miles. But what I've done this morning, we took it in yesterday afternoon as part exchange. It's a car I sold 4 years ago when it had done 91,000 miles. It came in on our Mercedes C-Class for a regular customer of ours and a friend of ours. And this car, I think, it looks great. I think they've looked after it really well, and I think it represents good value. Because I wasn't sure this morning, I did run it to our friends at Diamond Vehicle Services to stick it on a ramp and cast their eyes over it, just to make sure I weren't going to be spending $1,000 to $1,500 on prepping this, because I've had a lot of high bills recently, a lot of expensive bills. I mean, I'm supposed to have had this 3 Series BMW go out today, but we've got a problem with an oil leak from the prop shaft, so that's been delayed unfortunately, and that would have meant we'd have had the 1 Series in today, and of course that's not coming in. So hopefully that'll be next week now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, fingers crossed. So yeah, with all these empty spaces, Mark cast his beady eye over this car, and I think it needs rear brake pads, a tyre, a top mount on the suspension, a wiper arm motor, and the sensor on the boot. But realistically, it's not going to be a lot of money. So let's spin this around and show you what I've been telling you about. Here she is. So as you can see, all these empty spaces, you remove that out of the way and it just looks wrong. So I've only really got 2 cars here to show you, but this is the one, and I think it looks the bee's knees really. So it's a 2013 on a 63. As I said, it's done 120,000 miles. It's the 2-litre diesel limited edition, so it has like the body kit on it, front spoiler, side skirts, rear spoiler, that kind of thing. It's got front and rear parking sensors. It's got heated seats and heated steering wheel. It just looks the bee's knees. I mean, it's just lovely. And I think at $2,999, I wanted to show you this morning because I don't think it'll still be available by the time I close the gates at 2 o'clock today. Now, I could be wrong, but like I say, we've not had a car at this price for a very long time, and we do get a lot of demand for cars at this price, so I am very fussy about what I sell. And I mean, that just looks great, doesn't it? So $2,999, 0 tax. I've driven it, I took it home last night. It drives lovely, drives really well. Someone's going to get themselves a bargain. Who's it going to be? Give us a call. 01353 863 699. Thanks for watching.